minute.
Yeah, no.
Hello, today we're going to show you how to repair something that just came out of the kiln and then it broke, and I really wanted it to stay together, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of slip. You're going to mix in a little bit of slip. Okay? So then I'm going to put a little bit of oil, just a splash. Okay, so then some Epsom salts. Just a little sprinkle ought to do. And then maybe just a couple of pinches of cornstarch. Alright, and this is going to get all mixed together. Okay? You're going to apply it to the area that it broke. Okay? And then you'll attach it together and then glue it some more. And if you believed that worked, it doesn't work. You start over every time. If it breaks, you didn't put it together good enough. Go back and do it again. Have a good day.